Greetings from Web Solutions. In this video, I'll be showing you the P2P module of WebDMS. The module has various features, right from PRPO to invoice submission and payments. We will be covering the first part of the module, that is creating an indent or raising a purchase request. Using your login credentials, sign in onto the platform. As soon as you sign in, you will get a inbox where you can see the task pending at your end along with the indent number, the title of the request, the requested by, the task name, and the request due date as well as the status of the task. And in the second, you will have the indent list of all the indents that you are part of or you have contributed in some way. And over here, you will get the create indent button, which you will be using to create an indent or raising a purchase request. So click on create indent and give your request title. Suppose you want to purchase laptops for your department, then you say purchase of laptops. Then you give your location details and department details. The system automatically picks up the details. If you are creating this request for yourself, then you create on indent request for self auto ticket and it will take a name. Otherwise, you can give the name of the person for which you are generating this particular request. Then you have to give the indent line items details. Whatever items you want to purchase for your department or for yourself, you click on add new. You select the item category. There are various categories available which can be customized and configured as per the requirement. Right now I will be selecting from ITE disposable and selecting the item as laptop. So if I scroll down, I can see the various items available under the ITE disposable. I can just type in laptop and get the item list from here. I can give any specification like I want to purchase i5 10th gen 512 GB SSD and the requested quantity. Suppose I want to purchase 5 and the unit of measurement, automatically it picks up pieces and the expected delivery date which I'm expecting, suppose 31st. Let's say save. I can add multiple items to this particular list. Like again from ITE disposable, I want to say add mouse. I can say Bluetooth. Requested quantity again 5 and unit of measurement as pieces, and I will select the date, month, year as 31st and I save it. And I can save why I'm purchasing this for remarks section for new joinees in my department. And if I want to upload any supporting documents such as any approvals, any offline approvals or any supporting documents related to the laptops or the mouse which I'm purchasing, I can upload that as well. And I can just click on create to create this particular request. And if I refresh the list, there's a new task available for purchase of laptops. I can go inside that and see the activity history of where the next task is pending at.